Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to add a clickable link in Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Head over to the plus icon and here just add any type of picture or video you want. Suppose I want to add this one. And here are the options in which you can add your you can just edit your reel. Then if you have done editing your reel, just head over clicking next. Also there, as you can see, there is no option of adding a link in right here. So what we need to do is just write a caption of link in bio. And then click on share, and the app is finished. And as you can see, the link is in bio written here. So we must need to head over to our profile again. And then click on edit profile. And if you scroll down, you will see an option of add link. Click on there. Tap on add as external link. Paste the URL. And give a title. Then click the tick. Go back, and as you can see, the link is added right here. And if you go there, you will directly go to the link, or it is a clickable link. So as we can't just add our clickable link in Reel, we will just add it in our bio. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one.